You're missing out on so much by not using mind maps. Mind maps are a powerful tool that helps organize ideas visually, providing clarity and structure to your thoughts. Idea. Brainstorming. This branch includes topics and ideas for discussion in meetings. It helps structure and organize thoughts during brainstorming sessions. You can write the meeting topic in the notes and set deadlines. Idea tracking. This section gathers various project ideas, including project management, data analytics, sales magnet, and cybersecurity. For each idea, industry, business type, problems, potential solutions, and current status are noted, helping to track progress. Industry analysis and business model canvas. These branches contain information about products, their features, competitor analysis, and investment strategies. Key aspects of the business model, such as value propositions, sales channels, and customer relationships, are described. With Layer you can highlight important points with different colors and emojis. Leave comments. Launch. Company website, media tracking, product launch guide, and product hunt launch checklist. This branch contains information on preparing and launching a new product, maintaining and improving the company's image. It describes key projects, recent news, PR activities, and the product hunt checklist for successful audience engagement and effective promotion. Duplicate the branch to save time. Add tasks to a folder to make them invisible. Fundraising. Includes using comprehensive systems for managing investor relations. Click on the eye icon to focus on one branch. In this context, 3 companies are listed. Assign responsible persons for the task. Set statuses. When everything is ready, send the map via email. In the end, if you're not using mind maps, you're missing out on a lot of potential benefits. Subscribe so you don't miss more templates.